Welcome to my Blueprint Pro's AI optimized job application tracker, your all in one system for managing job searches with speed, precision, and confidence. This tool is designed to help you generate leads, tailor applications using artificial intelligence, and stay organized every step of the way. We'll start on the Begin Here tab. This is your onboarding page. You'll find quick instructions for getting started, links to template files, and a suggested order of use. This tab is the launch pad for everything else in the tracker, so it's a good idea to review this first. Next is the ChatGPT guide. The ChatGPT guide tab is designed for users who may be unfamiliar with ChatGPT. It explains how to access the platform, what it can do, and how to engage with it effectively for application support. The Optimize with AI tab includes customizable prompt templates to help you tailor your resume, cover letter, and interview responses to specific roles, saving time and increasing relevance. Copy the prompts into ChatGPT to streamline and personalize your application materials. For instance, if you want to know roles that may not show up in a standard job search, simply copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT, upload your resume, and hit enter. Then you just copy and paste the information generated by ChatGPT directly into the AI-generated positions tab. Customize and run these prompts to identify high-fit opportunities based on your skills, values, and goals. In today's market, it's essential to customize materials for each position. Use the Position Details tab to store the job description along with the version of your resume, cover letter, and any interview prep you created for that role. Finally, the Tracker tab is where you manage your full job pipeline. It allows you to log every application, track deadlines and statuses, and document follow-up tasks all in one place, giving you full visibility across your job search. Keeping track of your progress means fewer missed opportunities, as the tracker is designed to warn you of approaching deadlines and missing materials needed to complete the application process. With the AI-optimized application tracking system, the interviews are bound to start rolling in, and this tracker can even help you keep track of those as well. And that's it. This workbook will help you stay on track and make your job search way easier. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow us on social media. Happy job hunting!